Alright y'all, good morning. It is Tuesday morning. Crystal's behind me breaking down boxes. Today we're headed into town to make some bricks. Let me show you what we got going on real quick here. A little behind the scenes. Walk us through, Crystal.
Well, I got some empty boxes here.
Empty boxes, okay.
We got like all of the ingredients broken down into those. I just spent forever trying to organize them, making sure all the ingredients is correct. And yeah, pretty much all we gotta do is load it up and head down there.
Yeah, so these are all pretty much our raw ingredients. We have some packaging material here. We have more packaging material. We have like the week's worth supply. We have the singles. We have the 2-week supply. Label printer. We use the Zebra 450, great label printer by the way. And little packaging desk here. We've been inputting all the SKU numbers, the lot numbers, keeping track of inventory. This is all kind of like behind the scenes stuff. You might care, you might not care, but it's there for you either way. All right, let's go make some bricks. We're headed to the gym before we head out for making keto bricks. It's gonna be a pretty quick workout. We're gonna do like a little bit of legs, a little bit of chest. If you ever crunch for time, the best thing you can do for legs is 7 sets of 12 reps with 30-second rest intervals on squats. It is absolutely brutal. That's what I'm gonna do today. Here we go. You ready? Alright y'all, just finished 7 sets 12, 30-second rest. I'm on the ground now. That explains why. Gotta love it. Just got 315 on flat bench barbell. It's been a while since I've done that. Chest is my weakest group, muscle group, so I feel good about that, especially after doing legs. So yeah, but let's go make some bricks. All right, so this is the gym owner. Y'all have seen him before. He's doing a competition. Look at that. Show us your abs again. That's what we're talking about right there. He's gonna kill it. All right, y'all, we're on the way to make some bricks. Just figured I'd give you a quick little update what we got going on here. Getting some gas at Sam's Club. We got all the stuff in the back. That's my e-brake because my e-brake doesn't work. All the boxes. That's our food. We pre-packed our food. So we got going on there. Here's my employee number 1, and that's the shift manager right there.
I'd like to consider myself a partner, not an employee.
Well, if he's a shift manager, then employee's pretty good. She's a partner for sure. She's a partner for life now. All right, let's go make some bricks. All right, y'all, we're at Starbucks. You already know. Checking the load. We're still solid. What do you think, babe? Still solid? That body's still solid.
Oh jeez.
Oh jeez. My dolly tires are flat though. It's one drawback. But we're good to go. Get some coffee.
Looky there.
Alright, y'all, we're here at Granny and Pops. Had that dropped off jackaroni before we can go make bricks. Can have a little chihuahua run around our brick making. Alright, we just pulled up to the kitchen. We got our first recruit in hand. Look at this. Who we got here?
How you doing?
My brother Tyler Bear.
Good brother.
I got my cousin Lane. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Alright, y'all, we are in full-blown keto production, keto brick. Let me restart that one. Alright, y'all, we are in full-blown keto brick production mode. Oh, that's a tongue twister. We got Crystal over here jamming. We got the tunes jamming. We got my cousin Corey.
What's up?
Pouring bricks. We got my brother Tyler.
What's up?
Pouring bricks. We got my best friend Chris. Pouring
up?
bricks. And we got my cousin Lane running errands for us. So here we go. Alright y'all, watch this right here.
Con los terroristas.
And do the Harlem Shake.
Con los terroristas.
Alright y'all, it is 4:30 in the morning. We made, how many bricks we make? 760 bricks. We started at 7, it's 4:30 now. Job well done, gentlemen. Let's go home and get some sleep.